That 6th grade to 7th grade transition is just a really big deal. When we're moving from the elementary mindset to more of a secondary mindset, tend to have 2 to 3 teachers primarily with some specials to 7 classes every single day. So we thought it would just be good for the parents and the students to get over here to see just kind of what the junior high is and what it's about.
I've never been that part, like the back of the school, so now I know what it looks like and what the classes I chose. I feel like it's going to be a lot easier.
It's a huge place, and it's confusing, not knowing where to go at all.
It's really fun, but I think the size of it is a little nerve-wracking for me because of how big it is, even though it's just a square. It's so big for me.
Half of our students transition every year, either into our building or out of our building. And this is a little bit new this year in that the parents are coming over in the spring instead of waiting until orientation, so they have a better opportunity to walk through the building with their kids, and the kids get to show their parents all the things that they're going to be going through early on. We've seen a lot of kids excited to go from this room to that room, but also to try to get those lockers open, which is a big deal. And we've also seen some students say, "No, Mom, you're not going to walk with me as we go through this." So they're growing up, and it's a good opportunity for them to see the next stage in life.
We have students transition from, buildings of about 600, 500 to 600 to 1,000, it's twice as big, so they feel like it'd be tough, but it's not that bad. We're focusing on as a district to make sure that transition is as smooth as possible and to make sure that just kids and families are comfortable.
Sports and clubs and all the opportunities for electives. We have electives at Summit and at the intermediate buildings, but there are even more opportunities at the junior high, and they're super excited about that.
We just kind of wanted to provide a real brief. This is what we have and what we do, and get people, like I said, just a little more comfortable with it so that then they can have a better idea of what's going to happen come next fall.